Before you start building your website with Zoho Sites, pause for a second, because most people assume all website builders are basically the same. The surprising truth is that Zoho Sites offers powerful customization without coding, but it also has limitations that could affect your project. Zoho Sites is a drag-and-drop website builder designed for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and professionals. You won't believe what happens next when users discover they can create responsive websites, integrate blogs, forms, and even e-commerce features all from a single platform. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume drag and drop means it's perfect for every kind of website. While Zoho Sites is easy to use, complex customizations like advanced e-commerce, membership portals, or highly interactive designs may require additional coding or third-party tools. Getting started is simple. Sign up, choose a template, and customize using the drag and drop editor. You can add pages, widgets, images, and embed code if needed. Zoho Sites also integrates with Zoho suite of business tools like CRM, email campaigns, and analytics, making it ideal for businesses already in the Zoho ecosystem. The pricing is tiered. There's a free plan with Zoho branding, and paid plans unlock custom domains, SEO tools, and advanced features. The upside is affordability and ease of use, especially for non-technical users. The downside is that some users may find the templates limited compared to other builders like Wix or Squarespace, and advanced e-commerce features are not as robust as dedicated platforms like Shopify. The surprising truth about Zoho Sites is that it's best for users who want a simple, integrated, and professional website without the headache of coding, but serious e-commerce or large-scale sites may need more specialized solutions. If this honest review helped you understand Zoho Sites, subscribe for more website builder reviews and tips.